Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You are the primary objective denier and area controller. Focus on zoning survivors from objectives. Start each match by choosing a lane or building to dominate and control sightlines. This constrains survivor movement and funnels them into predictable paths. Use stalking to reduce survivors' confidence and force them into bad plays. Approach quietly, observe a group, then commit to a target. Prioritize eliminating objectives and cutting escape routes early in the match to reduce comeback options and increase pressure for the whole game. Use stalking to reduce fear and approach range without alerting survivors. After you repeat stalks, move in for a decisive grab or strike. Time grabs and attacks to land within a 3, 5 to 4, 0-second window after stalking to catch players mid-recovery. Apply pressure, then rotate between pressure points every 60 to 90 seconds to deny safe regrouping. When you commit, use area denial abilities and traps to cut escape corridors and prevent quick rescues or revives. Focus kills on isolated targets and capitalize on successful grabs for quick eliminations. Do not chase down every res. Instead, use your presence to make rescues costly. Use traps and environmental denial to split groups and reduce successful rescues, then punish the smaller teams. Adapt tactics versus aggressive teams versus passive teams by shifting focus accordingly. Trap entrances for passive play and bait overcommitment for aggressive squads. Maintain tempo, manage stamina and cooldowns, and finish objectives to secure wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.